beauty and the wonder of our planet Earth. We come together to acknowledge the delicate balance between the human existence and the nature world, and to reaffirm a commitment to preserve our home Earth. As we embark on a new era, we face formidable challenges. Climate change, deforestation, pollution, and biodiversity loss pose a substantial threat to our planet's well-being. Yet, we find hope in collective actions and innovative solutions. We've witnessed profound changes on our planet, including melting polar ice caps and rising in sea levels. However, we've also made notable progress in harnessing renewable energy, developing sustainable technologies, and adopting eco-friendly practices. Today, we all recognize that Earth Day is not just a celebration, but a call to action. Our individual and collective efforts have the power to shape the future of our planet. We must harness the power to drive meaningful change and strive for a more sustainable tomorrow. As we move forward, let's take inspiration from indigenous communities that have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. Let's work towards environmental justice, ensuring that everyone has the access to clean water, clean air, and healthy living conditions. Let's celebrate these small victories, honors, and acknowledge the crucial role we all play in protecting our planet. In conclusion, let's reframe our commitment to the Earth Day promise to safeguard, preserve, and cherish our planet for the future generation. I repeat, to safeguard, preserve, and cherish our planet for the future generation. We can do this. We must do this for our planet, humanity, and life on the earth. At last, I just want to say that Earth has enough resources to meet one's need. Earth has enough resources to meet one's need, but not enough to meet one's greed. Greed is the way to destruction of humankind. I repeat, greed is the way to destruction of humankind. So save Earth, save life, and never be greedy. Thanks and have a wonderful day.